Hi everyone and welcome to AwesomeQA. To get started, just head over to the top and click on Get Started for free. In the first field, just provide us with your email address and where did you hear about us. So anything really, Discord, Twitter, whatever you think is relevant here, just provide us with that information. Then accept the terms and condition and click here to invite the bot to your server. Once you click that button, you'll see this screen on your Discord. As you can see, the bot is requiring some of the permissions. So just select the server you want the bot to be installed in. I'll choose this one and continue. And here are some more permissions. You would need to allow the bot to have the send messages permission and threads, embed links, and read message history, add reactions, and use application commands. So you'll have to authorize all of these, and then just click here to authorize. So once you see this page, this means that the bot has been added to your server. You can confirm by going to your Discord server, and you'll see a message like this. And also in the members list, you'll see the AwesomeQA bot has been added. So now you know the bot has been invited to your server. And so by clicking this button, Start Onboarding, you can start the onboarding process. What you see right now is the permissions page. All the channels on your Discord server will be listed over here on the left side, and permissions for your AwesomeQA bot will be here in the center, and the permissions for your Discord will be here on the right side. So these are the ones which we earlier authorized when we were inviting the bot to our server, and these are the ones where you can decide right now, so for example, for some channels, you might want to have only read permissions because you don't want the bot to send any messages in those channels. So you can just turn on the read permissions and keep off the send permissions for those channels, and vice versa. Once you just keep in mind that you can always come back to this page and you can change these permissions whenever you want. So nothing is fixed. So don't stress too much and just see what is best for your server right now and continue to the next stage. This is where you provide us with your documentations, basically another source for the bot to learn from. So besides chat history, the bot also learns from your documentations, which is this part, and then your knowledge base, which we will get to later. So here you can add links to any documentations that you have on your products, on your website, so the bot can scrape through them and learn about your products and services. So this way you can increase the chances of bot generating really very high quality answers with really high accuracy. So make sure anything that is relevant, add it over here. You can add as many links you like. Once you're done adding those links in these fields, just hit the next button, and now you just have to confirm the choices you have made in the previous screens. And once you can see everything is to your liking, just finish, and that's it. You have successfully onboarded, and that's all you need to do to get on with AwesomeQA.